In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bluestacks 10 on Windows 10. This process is straightforward, and by the end you should have Bluestacks up and running on your computer. Bluestacks is a popular Android emulator that allows you to run Android applications on your PC. It's perfect for gamers who want a larger screen and better controls, or if you simply want to explore the Android ecosystem without having a physical device. So, let's dive into the steps. First things first, we need to head over to the official Bluestacks website. You can easily do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Bluestacks into the search bar. Be sure to click on the official website link, which is usually listed as one of the top results on your search engine. This is important because downloading software from the official source ensures that you're getting the most secure and up-to-date version. Once you are on the Bluestacks homepage, keep an eye out for a link that says See All Versions. Click on that link. This step will direct us to a page where you can choose the version of Bluestacks that best matches your operating system requirements. Here's a critical part: check the list to find the version of Windows you are using. This is usually Windows 10, but it's crucial to ensure compatibility with your current setup. Once you've identified the correct version, go ahead and click on Download. The download should begin shortly after clicking the button. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes, so feel free to stretch or grab a cup of coffee while you wait. After the download is complete, the next step is to locate the installer file. It's commonly found in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Once you've found the installer, double click on it to begin the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. You'll then see a window with installation prompts. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure Bluestacks 10 is installed correctly. Don't rush through, as ensuring all permissions and settings are correctly acknowledged can save hassles later on. Once the installation is complete, Bluestacks 10 should automatically launch. If it doesn't, you can manually open it from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Now take a moment to explore the Bluestacks interface. You've successfully installed Bluestacks 10 on your Windows 10 machine, and you're all set to run your favorite Android applications right on your PC. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Android apps and games from the comfort of your desktop. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and happy gaming.